Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Deno and create a demo application quickly. So this is Microsoft Windows 10 and you should be able to follow this video instruction on your Windows 7, 8, 8.1 as well. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and go to deno.land. So if you do not know what is Deno, it's basically secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. It uses V8 engine and it is built in Rust language. Okay, so this is what it is. It's basically, I'm not sure if it's going to replace nodejs, but it has some features that are good and nodejs does not have yet. So let's go ahead and install it. So I suppose that you already are on this page, deno.land. Go to install section here, and these are few options to install Deno on your Windows operating system. So go ahead and I'm going to use this one, IWR, which is built in Microsoft Windows with PowerShell. If you're using Choco or Scoop, you can use these commands. So go ahead and look for PowerShell, and you will have to run this command. Copy this, get into this PowerShell and right click on your mouse. This is going to paste in the PowerShell and hit enter. It doesn't take a long time and it's going to it's basically downloading it. So it's inbuilt, IWR is inbuilt, so this is why I'm not going to use Choco. Choco is not inbuilt thing on Microsoft Windows. Number of bytes written. So basically it's downloading and it's fast. You can see it here. Voila. So we have Deno installed. You can go ahead and simply say Deno -help. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so these are sub commands that you can use. Bundle, cache, completion, doc, eval, fmt, help, info, install. Okay. Install script as an executable, REPL. So REPL, which is read, eval, print loop, run. We are going to use run command in a moment. Type, print, runtime, TypeScript declaration, upgrade, which is going to help you upgrade, demo dir, environment variables. So these are basically already created on your system. So now if you say Deno, is basically going to give you the REPL. You can close it with Control D or close method. I can go ahead and run the arithmetic and it is going to work, my friends. Oh, I don't have to exit, I have to close. Now, so Deno is installed. It is set to the system's path. Now let's quickly go ahead and create a demo application, which is going to be from this manuals page. So I'm going to go on to the desktop and I'm going to create a folder, Deno box. I'm going to name it Deno box. It's been created, if you can see it here. And then I'm going to switch into change the directory, cd deno, and then I'm going to open with the code, VS Code, close it. I've got everything in here under VS Code. Oh gosh, it's taking a bit longer. Now under this Deno box, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a JavaScript file. You can obviously use TypeScript if you are a TypeScript person, and this is going to help you compile everything. So if I go ahead and copy this everything from here, paste it in here, I can go ahead and run the command, run command, Deno, with Deno. So simply go ahead and say Deno run. There are a few security features here, so I'll quickly show you what I'm talking about. You see allow net, you will have to run like this. So Deno run, and this is basically inbuilt security feature. If you do not add it, it's not going to let you run on your network. Allow read, which will let you read only, you cannot make any change, more like the constant master. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and run it. So you will have to say allow and then net and the name of the file, which is app.js. Oops. Okay, so it's listening, but when you run it for the first time, it will go ahead and download these packages. It takes time, and then you can run it here. So if I go on to localhost 8000, I guess, yes, it's loading up. Here we have Deno application. What does it use? Nothing. So basically it creates something in the cache. It's cache, and it's awesome stuff. Alrighty, you can go ahead and it is working, and you can explore Deno Honors Manuals page. Since it's built in Rust, if you're not going to contribute to the Deno project, you don't need to know Rust. You just need to know JavaScript, TypeScript, or WebAssembly. If you're going to use this for WebAssembly, WASM. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. You can go ahead and check the manual. Here it is. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, leave in the comment below. Thanks again. Have a good day. Bye for now.